What's the meaning of common cold? Common cold. Common cold.
Common cold. Common cold. The common cold is a viral infection of the upper respiratory tract. It is caused by a group of viruses, with rhinoviruses being the most common. Symptoms may include a runny nose, sneezing, coughing, sore throat, and mild fever. The virus is usually spread through contact with infected respiratory secretions, such as from coughing or sneezing. Although there is no cure for the common cold, symptoms can be managed with over-the-counter medications and home remedies. Most people recover within 7 to 10 days, but the illness can be more severe for young children, elderly adults, and those with weakened immune systems.